Then you will get a choose image option. After clicking there, you will get the uploaded option. Are you thinking of adding to thumbnail to your YouTube video? So how you do add it now? For this, first you have to log in into your Facebook ID in any browser. And if you have a mobile phone, then you will have to click on the three dot icon on the top right and turn on the desktop mode. And in the case of a laptop or desktop, you don't need to do this. If your browser is in desktop mode, you will click on the profile icon at the top. After clicking on the profile icon, you will see your page. So you will click on the page where you will add the thumbnail to the video of your page. You can see that I have moved to the desired page. It likes some time to load here for desktop mode. Then you will click on your profile on the page profile. After that, scroll down and select your describe video and a thumbnail to the video. For this, click on the three dot that you see on the right side of this video. Then you will get the edit option there. Click on it. After that, you will get a edit image option there. Click on it. Then you will get a choose image option. After clicking there, you will get the uploaded option. Upload your select image and can see that I have created this image for the gallery for the thumbnail. So now when you upload the image, click on save. You can see here, but the thumbnail has been added. You must create the thumbnail in the size in which you create the video. So you can see that now the thumbnail has been added to your video and I have uploaded and saved it. It looks nicer than before. You can easily add a thumbnail to any video to any time if you want. If you have learned something by watching the video, then definitely like our video and comment and tell us how you like it. And definitely subscribe to our channel to get such video. Everyone stay well and healthy. Thank you. Thank you very much.